Hi everyone, good morning, happy new year and welcome back to your computer class. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm just going to put together a few small short videos for you that I hope will be helpful to you when you're trying to work and get started at home on your own. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you access your LMETB, your Outlook or your Office 365 account from home. So I'll just show you here, up here, I have mine saved as a favorite, and it might be helpful for you to do that too. So when you're signed in to your LMETB email account, you can always just, this little icon here, this little star will bookmark or mark a website that you visit frequently as a favorite, which means it sort of creates a shortcut to access that for you. So if I click straight here on my shortcut or on my favorite, it'll take me directly into my Outlook account, my Outlook email. Okay, but I'm just going to go back to Google to show you the steps to access it from the very outset, just in case anyone needs just to be reminded how to do it. So if on your tablet or laptop or your phone or whatever you're working on at home, if you open the search engine Google like I have here, and then what you want to do in the search bar, you just want to type in LMETB. Okay. All right, so when you have the LMETB website up, you're just going to click and log into the website. I'm just going to close this, and staff email. So here is where you will type in your email address. Okay, for me, it's going to open up in my Outlook Office account. Okay, so that's just to show you. So if you're doing it for the first time at home, you will have to go to staff email and just complete your login. So you should have your email address, which most of yours, I think, start with the digits 20. So they start with the digits 20, and they're probably the first initial of your first name and your surname. So like mine is spitz@lmetb.ie. Yours is 20, the first letter of your first name and your surname at lmetb.ie. I think most of you should have your password to access your account. If any of you need your password, just let me know and I will get your password emailed or messaged to you. So that's just the first step. So for anyone who, I know some of you have already emailed me through that account, but for any of you who just need to know to get started, hopefully that little video will help you just to get started and up and running on using your LMETB, your Office 365 or your Outlook account from home. Okay, the other thing I just want to show you while I'm here. So in this section here, these are your apps. Okay, so if I just hover my cursor there, you can see there that it says App Launcher. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that and show you the apps that are available to you there. So this one here, Outlook, this is your email. So in essence, if you're a Gmail user or you use Yahoo Mail, this is the exact same thing. It's just called Outlook here, and that's where you'll access your email. And then in here, you can see we have other things available to us. The one that we're going to look at is the app for Word Online. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. So this now launches the online version or the cloud version of Word. So I'm just going to show you if I click on New Blank Document. And okay, so it's loaded. So you'll see then that this ribbon here should be familiar to you. Some of what's here on the ribbon will be familiar to you from the desktop version that we've worked on in our class. So if you're going to do some work for me in Word, You can do it here in the cloud version, or I'm going to show you that you can actually install it on your device at home, but I'll show you that in the next video. So in here, you'll see that you can create documents in here and save documents in here. You can do things like change the font, you can add bullets, add numbers, you can insert images and various other things. The functionality is a lot similar to what we have on the desktop version, but it's just a little more limited in terms of your layout options, etc. So the purpose of this video is just to show you how to locate it. So it's here in your apps. So say, for example, I'm finished now, I'm finished using Word. I want to go back to my email. I'm just going to click back to my Outlook, and that'll take me back to my mail. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you for anyone who's just getting started to access your Outlook or your Office 365 account and how to locate Word in your apps launcher in Office 365. Okay, all right, everyone. Look, let me know by email, or I will give you all my phone number. If anyone has any queries or questions and they want to give me a call, I'll email you all on my phone number later today. Okay, take care, everyone. Stay safe.